Hello, this is Ramanoj Bora. I will be teaching you real numbers from class 10 Ncert book. So the first thing we encounter when we open the chapter real number is Euclid's division lemma. The first thing first, many students confuse upon what is a lemma. So a lemma is a statement or a result that is used to find a theorem or an algorithm. So by Euclid's division lemma, we can find an algorithm. So it may be very confusing, but the thing is that Euclid's division algorithm is a very easy algorithm. So let me explain you the algorithm first, then I will come to the, as the name suggests, Euclid's division algorithm. It may seem very complex for a classroom student to actually understand an algorithm by the theoretical part. So I'm here to explain you the algorithm in a very conceptual part and in a very easy way. So to understand the algorithm, I will first take an example of a architect who has been given a task to fill up the wall of 30 units of length and 9 units of breadth with square tiles, with the largest square tiles. So the architect very cleverly, what he does is he takes the large square tiles that is possible. So he takes a square tiles of 9 units, and when he sees that there are 21 units of length left, he takes one more tile of 9 units. Then he sees that there is 12 units of length left, and then he takes one more tile, square tile of 9 units, and then he sees that there is a length of 3 units of length left. So now he cannot take one more square tiles of 9 units of each side. So if he takes, it will exceed at this point, and the wall is not there up to this point, so he cannot take one more tile. So he has to take small tiles now. So he takes a square tile of 3 units. He takes a tile of 3 units, the shaded part. So he is left with 6 units now. Then he takes one more tile of 3 units. Then he takes one more tiles of 3 units. Now the wall is filled. So 3 unit tiles is the largest tile that he can take to fill up the wall uniformly. So this is the way. I'm not very good in diagrams, but still. So these are the blocks of 3 units, square blocks of 3 units, by which you can fill up the wall uniformly. So to put it mathematically, what he has done is he has taken 3 tiles of 9 unit length, and he is left with 3 units. So what he does is he takes 3 unit tiles 3 times, then he is left with 0 unit of length. So this is what is Euclid's algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm. So we will be solving some examples by using the algorithm. So the first we take is 39. So first thing we have to do is we have to divide the larger number with the smaller number. So larger number here is 30 and the smaller number here is 9. So 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, and the left out is 3. So here 9 multiplied 3 plus 3. So as a remainder is left. So according to the algorithm, here the divisor becomes the dividend, and the remainder becomes a divisor. So 3 will become divisor. So 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and the remainder is 0. So in this case the HCF is 3 as shown in the earlier concept. So I will be taking one more example of 455 and 42. It is given in the example section of the Ncert book. So here also we have to divide the larger number with the smaller number. So 455 is divided by 42. So 42 multiplied by 1 is 42 and 35. 0 will go upwards. So this will be in the form of 455 is equal to 42 into 10 plus 35. So the divisor will become the dividend. The remainder will become the divisor. So 35 multiplied by 1 is 35 and the leftover is 7. So as the remainder is there, we have to take the 35 as the dividend, 7 as the divisor again. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35 and the remainder is 0. As the remainder is 0, so we know that when the remainder is 0, the divisor is HCF. So HCF is 7. So I will be explaining the algorithm in the next video theoretically and solving some examples and question from the exercises and sharing a worksheet with you in the next video. So stay tuned and like, subscribe and share it with your friends, family and brothers, sisters. Thank you very much.